In the beginning, the universe was light. Every newborn star, every exploding sun, every galaxy pulling itself together in the dark. All of it should fill the cosmos with a glow far brighter than what we see today. And yet, something is missing. Astronomers call it the missing light problem, a mysterious absence of radiation that should exist but doesn't. It's as if the universe is hiding part of its own history behind a curtain of darkness. And in the last 24 hours, a faint whisper has been detected, a fragile, almost ghost-like radio signal coming from the cosmic background. Small, weak, easy to miss, yet powerful enough to reignite the biggest question. Where did the universe's light go? Some scientists believe this missing glow could come from the very first stars, giants that burned hot, died fast, and left almost nothing behind. Others think the light is scattered between galaxies, absorbed by ancient dust older than entire solar systems. But the new signal does not fit neatly into any explanation. It behaves like leftover energy from a time before galaxies existed. A remnant of the universe's first illumination, a glow from a cosmic dawn we cannot see directly. Imagine light traveling for more than 13 billion years, fading, stretching, becoming colder with each breath of cosmic expansion, until only a faint vibration remains. That's what astronomers picked up, a vibration in the dark. And the strangest part, the amount of missing light is too large, far too large to be explained by ordinary physics. It suggests there might be matter we haven't identified, processes we don't understand, or events that happened in the early universe that never made it into our models. The universe is not just expanding, it is remembering, echoing, whispering pieces of its own origin story, and daring us to listen closely enough to decode them. In the end, maybe the mystery isn't about where the light went, but what message remains hidden inside the darkness.